Hello friend, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today I am going to discuss how we can cure excess cough in our body using by two acupressure points. First we see the location of the point. First we mark the point and massage it for 1 minute by prop to activate the point. The next thing you will have to do is to keep a small piece of paper tape and apply Biol magnet in such a way that the yellow color touch your skin. Now apply on the area which we marked earlier. This point is called SP9. ST40. You will keep all these points at least for 7 to 8 hours regularly. So I would advise you to apply during night to get best result out of this. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you are like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you are suffering from any other disease, comment me down in comment box. I will make video on that topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.